We're transforming our space by bringing the outside in. Bye-bye winter blues, hello spring refresh. Try using a few decor pieces you already have, then bring in new elements like bird cages, floral wall decor, and faux florals. Then, when you're ready, just follow our lead. We're giving this space a spring makeover. Start with the walls. Adding or switching out current wall pieces with art that exudes freshness is one of the easiest ways to bring spring into a room. We're adding new pieces to focal points around our room, like the mantle and the space above our console table. Next, we're going to add various containers and vases throughout the space. When choosing your containers, think about size and materials. The scale of these ceramic vases makes a grand statement, while these smaller wood vases add just the right amount of earthy charm to our mantle. Faux florals like these wispy, airy stems are a simple way to bring life to your space. Tall, branchy stems add contrast and visual interest. By the way, you don't always need a vase. Get creative. We made this arrangement by adding floral stems and moss to a metal tray. Once you add the main florals, spread around these pre-made moss balls to give the whole space a bit of freshness. Still searching for just the right touch of green? Try putting together a mini garden in a jar. Glue a variety of spring elements, like boxwood picks and butterflies, to a piece of foam inside a small terracotta pot. Then place the pot inside a fabulous terrarium to make it a conversation piece. It's really that easy. Now that we have our green in place, let's focus on the sitting areas. Throw pillows are an easy way to transition your rooms from season to season. Neutral pillows are great to keep out year-round, but it's time to swap out our winter pillows for these lovely spring-themed ones. Last but not least, let the fresh air in. Open your curtains and enjoy letting the spring sun light up the whole room. For more decor inspiration from Hobby Lobby, be sure to check the subscribe button on our YouTube channel.